why the common man fails to satisfy YouTube and how to fix it. Why does the common man struggle to satisfy YouTube? Why do most small creators give up? The answer is simple. YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards strategy. Let's uncover the real reason and the steps you need to follow. The common man often believes that uploading videos regularly is enough, but YouTube is a machine. It needs signals, watch time, click-through rate, consistency, and engagement. If you miss even one, the algorithm won't push your content. One big mistake, no niche. A confused channel confuses the algorithm and the audience. YouTube wants to know what your channel is about. If you're not clear, your growth gets blocked. The next trap is bad packaging. A great video with a boring thumbnail and title, it'll die in silence. YouTube only shows videos that get clicked. First impressions matter. Then comes watch time. Most common creators lose their audience in the first 30 seconds. You must hook viewers fast. The longer they stay, the more YouTube promotes your content. Low engagement is another killer. If viewers don't like, comment, or subscribe, YouTube assumes the video is forgettable. Encourage interaction every time you post. So how can the common man satisfy YouTube? Here are 5 key steps to follow for real YouTube success. Step 1. Pick a clear niche. Stick to one niche. Gaming, education, motivation, whatever you're passionate about. Don't mix everything. Step 2. Create clickable thumbnails and titles. Use bold fonts, emotions, and curiosity. Make people want to click. Step 3. Hook viewers in first 15 seconds. Give value, ask a question, or show what's coming. Fast. Step 4. Boost watch time and engagement. Tell stories, keep visuals moving, and ask viewers to comment. Step 5. Stay consistent for 6 months minimum. Upload on a fixed schedule. YouTube respects consistency and data. YouTube isn't biased, it's programmed. If you give the right signals, it will promote your content whether you're rich or poor, urban or rural. But you have to play the game right. Thousands of small creators have made it, from villages, towns, even with just a mobile phone. The key isn't luck. It's understanding how YouTube thinks and feeding it exactly what it wants. So if you're a common man with a dream, don't give up. Start smart, stay focused, and soon YouTube will reward you. Subscribe for more creator tips like this.